Welcome back. In your health news, cold weather, it wreaks havoc on our skin, making it dry and sometimes flaky too. Not only is the air drier, but indoor heating further depletes the skin of moisture. The result? Well, it's something that you call the winter itch. Joining us right now this morning is Louise Prue. She's the owner of Reno Beauty and Med Spa at North Park Center and Frisco Stonebriar Center. Thank you so much for joining us with some great tips.
Thank you, Cleo.
I feel like everyone is talking about winter skin and what you need to do, just to make sure that you're in a good spot and you don't end up with the winter itch. Where do we start? I guess, what is the best way to care for our skin during the winter weather here?
Well, especially with the weather temperatures we've been seeing recently, it's so important to make sure that you stay hydrated.
Yeah.
And of course, when we're talking winter skin, we should also talk about hydrating, which is of drinking lots of water, making sure that you're not taking a lot of hot showers, warm showers, less frequently.
Not taking a lot of hot.
Yes, it actually reduces the humidity in your body.
Wow.
And couple that with putting on the heaters at home or in your car, it's going to dry your skin. So some winter tips that I strongly recommend for anyone looking to help keep their skin moist and also not to have itchy, flaky skin, redness, or even eczema is to make sure that you layer your skin like you would layer your body with clothing. And what that means is using typically gentler cleansers, which could include, I would suggest going to maybe perhaps an oil-based cleanser or a creamy cleanser.
Yeah.
Use less cleansers that do not have rather salicylic or glycolic acids. You want to reduce those during the winter months. Exfoliate less frequently, but you still need to exfoliate. And you want to use serums if you can in your regimen, such as lipids or hyaluronic acid, and of course the most important, thicker moisturizers. Great moisturizers, lighter during the day, thicker at night. And the last tip, which is the most important, is don't forget your sunscreen. 365 days of the year, you need to protect your skin from the sun. Many sunscreens, mineral and non-mineral, are perfect for the skin. They help to hydrate as well. Many have moisturizers that can keep your skin glowy and dewy.
Yeah, that's something I always need to remember is the sunscreen. I feel like people's, skincare regimen needs to change from the summer to winter.
Yes.
And you were talking about the oil-based cleansers. Are they really better during the winter?
They
What
sure
if you have
are.
oily skin?
They sure are. And if you find that it's leaving a bit of an oil layer, then just switch to a cleanser that is creamy and exfoliate twice a week. That's what we recommend.
What are the best times to do these routines?
Well, in the morning, of course, and we shouldn't just talk about the face, but also the body.
Yes.
In the morning, you want to make sure that you're using, again, a gentle cleanser, light serum, and then your moisturizer. If you can, a vitamin C or an antioxidant, it's also going to help protect your skin. Add your sunscreen to it. Don't forget the body, using gentle cleansers and getting away from stronger actives, as I said earlier, glycolic and salicylic. You want to make sure that you're gently exfoliating elbows, gently washing the body, and of course feet. And don't forget your lips, because lips get very dry. We lick our lips a lot.
Severely cracked.
Yes, yes.
What are we putting on the lips? Because I have that issue now, and I feel like everything I'm trying is just not working.
Yes, if you could find a lip balm that has arnica, it's always a great way to make sure the lips stay hydrated and healed. Hyaluronic acid-based lip protects the skin, and also many have sunscreen, so you're getting that extra layer of protection.
Okay, so I got to go on a different search to find a better.
Yes.
I guess
well, you could always come.
Chapstick, something. I can come and see you, yes. at Reno Beauty. Louise, thank you so much for joining us here on Midday. A pleasure to have you.
My pleasure.
Gosh, our time went by so quick.